A figure has line symmetry if it can be cut into two identical pieces by a line. A figure can have more than one line of symmetry or no lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry does this isosceles triangle have? I can draw a line, cutting it in half, going straight down the middle because it looks the same on both sides. This one has one line of symmetry. Can you pause the video and try to draw the lines of symmetry for the other two triangles? This one is an equilateral triangle. How many lines of symmetry does the equilateral triangle have? I can draw one straight down the middle, but if I turn it, here's another straight down the middle, and I can turn it again and get a third straight down the middle. Cut it in half 3 times. There are 3 lines of symmetry. How about a scalene triangle like this one? There's no way I can cut this in half. If I try to cut it like this, that doesn't look the same on both sides, so this one has none. What about point symmetry? When does a figure have point symmetry? When the pre-image and the image match after a rotation through a point in the center. I'm going to show you how that looks like. Take a look at this. I'm going to label this the top. And I'm going to rotate about the origin. And now you see that, okay, so my rotation about the origin didn't quite fix itself, but there we go. The top has moved to the side, but it is the exact same figure. This one has point symmetry. Yes. Does this one have point symmetry? What about this one? Well, let's try something similar like I did before. I am going to outline this. And now I'm going to try to rotate it about its center. Does it look the same again? Not yet. Well, now it's an upside down T, and it doesn't look the same again until we get all the way back around to the beginning. This one does not have line symmetry. Sorry, this one does not have point symmetry. It does have line symmetry because I can draw a line down the middle. This one, line symmetry, yes. Point symmetry, no. How about the star? Did you figure that one out yet? Well, we can do like we did in the other ones. I'm going to outline it, and then I'm going to show you how I can rotate it. Let's take a look. Oh, and I might have to, I'm a little bit off center, but there we go. You see how it looks the same again before we get back around, all the way back around? That means yes, it has point symmetry.